how evil you are. Very dark man supposed to be the one to send you to prison, not even to take you to court, not to take you to station. Very dark man supposed to be the one to take you to prison. Lizzy Anjorin supposed to be the one to take you to prison. Baba Moad supposed to make sure you rot in hell, not even in prison.
tó ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ kú dédé ìwòyí ẹ kú àsìkò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kí ẹ fìdílé nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ò sì máa gbọ́ àwọn àṣírí èyí tí Lizzy Anjorin túnú fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ máa bá wa kálọ.
I told people that you are writing something. I told them yesterday. I told them 4 days ago and I told them yesterday. I said you already wrote a petition against NAIRA, Marley, Sam Larry, Baba Moad. I don't want to include very dark man because I don't want it to look like, oh, she's this, she and that very dark man. What you said about Baba Moad, I've been telling Nigerians that what you did to Baba Moad is terrible before your secret was leaked this morning. Iyabo, if your hands are clean, why reporting very dark man? Why writing the petition? For you to have come up with petitions, court letters, shows you are evil. And let me tell you something, that letter you wrote, Iyabo Ojumi, very dark man, if you have issue anywhere, contact me. I am here to stand as a witness against Iyabo Ojo. Because myself and you, very dark man, NAIRA Marley, Sam Larry, Baba Moad supposed to send Iyabo to hellfire, not even prison. So Iyabo now turn around to be sending her victim. I told you she's cooking something against Baba Moad. She's cooking something against NAIRA Marley and Sam Larry. In fact, she has done it. She's waiting for court to resume. I said it yesterday. I said it a few days ago. You see that everything that I've told you guys about Iyabo Ojo has come to pass. You don't understand? Sholo ya olori buruku money. How can WAHALA sit down? Very dark man was doing his own. That guy has not attacked you. Everybody was looking for what killed Moad. That guy was on his own. Iyabo Ojo, you were attacking this boy. Lizzy Anjorin is on his own. No, you were the one attacking Lizzy. Baba Moad is on his own. No, you are the one attacking Baba Moad, attacking NAIRA Marley, attacking Sam Larry, and you will turn around saying you are going. You ku ojiji lo ma pa e danu tomotomo Iyabo Ojo. Ara ma ni e tomotomo e. Orun aba ti e je tomotomo e. Adabi tó bá jẹ́ pé òtítọ́ ló gbé wá nípa tèmi lókun. Iyabo Ojo, you are saying very dark man invaded your privacy. What did you, Iyabo Ojo, and Sariyu invaded? With my husband nudity and his voice note. I was telling you guys yesterday that Iyabo Ojo is cooking something. Didn't I say it? I said she's waiting for court to resume around September. And for those of you that did not know why I've been cursing Iyabo and her children, with what you've seen so far, did Iyabo Ojo and her children deserve curse or not? That is what we can tell you. A lot of things are under that we are not ready. Like me, I'm not ready to tell you. Èpè ni mama fún Iyabo àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Èpè ni mama fún Iyabo àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àdàbí. Me, I don't curse. I don't curse, so that thing that I'm giving Iyabo Ojo is beyond curse. I used to say if Iyabo Ojo's hands are clean, she's free. If Iyabo Ojo's hands are not clean on my matter, if Iyabo Ojo has come to this social media to lie against me, to collect donation, that Iyabo Ojo and her children untimely death will take them away. That is not a cause. So what I'm saying is bigger than cause. If truly Iyabo Ojo had come on social media to lie against me. I was telling you yesterday. I said when some of you said she has run away, I said she has not run away. I said she was waiting for court to resume. She has filed fundamental. She has sued the IG. I said it yesterday now. Didn't I said it? Iyabo ó máa ráre kú tọmọtọmọ ẹni. Àdàbí tó ẹ kò títọ́ ló gbé wá nípa mi. Jẹ́ kí n máa play show ẹ lọ. For those of you Igbo people that Iyabo Ojo has been pushing you against a victim, if you know the kind of course una they carry with una children, even if you want to defend anybody, that unfortunate Iyabo Ojo, that one that untimely death will take her and her children away, that Iyabo Ojo that will rotten, Iyabo Ojo will suffer, Iyabo Ojo will look for help, or Iyabo Ojo's helper will rotten, they will not see help. If you know what Iyabo Ojo has done to me, to my children, to my husband, if you know what Iyabo Ojo has done to my business, my life, see, it is not time for me to say, to come and tell you something here. My own is, if Iyabo Ojo hands her claim concerning my case, she's free. She's free. Oh, if Iyabo Ojo hands her claim, she sued IG because Iyabo Ojo does not want them to declare her wanted. I have told you guys. See now, when I'm saying something, Iyabo Ojo will be telling you her mama history, that her mother is mad. She doesn't want Nigerian police to declare her wanted. And if truly Nigerian police want to work, sure you understand, that fundamental has nothing to do with investigation of Nigerian police. If only if they want to work. But if they don't want to work, they will demo as if what she found has meaning. Look at what Iyabo Ojo said about Baba Moad. So Iyabo Ojo, in a nutshell, you've conducted DNA test. But you see the fact that you are a failed actress, a pathetic failed mother, a pathetic failed human being that you are. The test you conducted, allegedly, the test of DNA you conducted with that boy's son, I don't want to mention the baby name. Probably you promise Moad's younger brother, you promised him a lot of things that God did not even give you. Abi, probably you took the boy blood sample to go and conduct test with the son of the late boy, and probably allegedly it comes negative. Come Iyabo Ojo. So you call Baba Moad a bastard father of a bastard son. It's simple. Moad and Adura, of course, they are identical. Adura and other younger ones, you don't understand. If you look at them, before you can call Baba Moad a bastard father, they must take Adura and all the younger ones' DNA. Baba is much alive. They will take Baba's blood. Pending that time, Iyabo Ojo, that boy, that little boy, remained the stranger in that family. So Baba Moad remained the father of his son. Am I making sense? You are hopeless illiterate. You don't know the Brukunia. Ìtorí result yẹn ló ṣe lọ pẹ̀yìn gbogbo àwọn ọmọ bàbá yẹn sí bàbá yẹn. Àwọn ọmọ bàbá yẹn wá ń bú Iyabo máa ráre kú tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀ ni. Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa nǹkan tí mo explain. Wọ́n bóyá Iyabo ti lọ mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ Àdúrà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọmọ Angel. Wọ́n ti ṣe DNA. Bóyá kò mu. That does not mean pé Baba Moad kan ló bí Moad. Nǹkan tó lè fi mọ̀ pé Baba Moad kan ló bí Moad. Òun ni wípé tí wọ́n bá mú Àdúrà àti àwọn àbúrò tó kù àtàwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n tó kù, ṣé mọ̀ pé obìnrin méjì ló bímọ fún Baba Moad. Wọ́n conduct test láàrin gbogbo wọn. Ṣó ti yín tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ Àdúrà ò bá wá mú Baba Moad. Ṣó ti yín àti rí ẹ̀jẹ̀ Moad gan. But for the fact pé wọ́n mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ Àdúrà, wọ́n fi test títí ọmọ Angel. It means Angel's child is a stranger in Aloba's house. So Baba Moad was right. Iyabo Ojo, you are the foolish, hopeless idiot here. Moad happens to be the son of that man. You don't understand? Moad is the son of that man. Am I communicating? You don't understand? Because that young boy blood does not match with Adura, does not make Moad a bastard to the father as you claimed. You are just a bastard, Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo, you've done your worst. Ṣé mo problem ti Yoruba ni? Yoruba ò kì í ṣorí ọ̀fẹ́. Iyabo, petition tó lọ kọ bá IG. Ta ló yẹ kó wà lọ́gbà ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ àṣekára. Ọjọ́ tí mo ń pe àwọn ọmọ Ondo Abekiti tí ní Moad ti wá. Tí mo ní ògo ìdílé yín náà pa, ògo ìlú yín náà pa yìí. Nobody cares to listen. Iyabo, so ṣé DNA tẹ́ mọ̀ lójú ayé yẹn. Ṣé òun ló ṣekú pa Moad allegedly. DNA tẹ́ ti mọ̀ yẹn. Lẹ fi wá wò pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ ti bá jẹ ya o, wọ́n ti jọ kó nǹkan pọ̀ o. Pé bóyá kó kúkú allegedly ni o. Mi lẹ́yìn lẹ pa o. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Wọ́n ní bàbá Moad ti ṣe DNA ọmọ títí ẹ̀. Ṣé ti ẹ rí? Ṣé rí bàbá Moad? Òun ló bí Moad. Ọmọ kékeré yẹn tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò bá bá àdúrà mu. Ìyẹn ò mí pé bàbá Moad kan ló ní Moad. Tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọmọ kékeré yẹn ò bá bá ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbúrò Moad mu, ìtumọ̀ ni pé ọmọ kékeré yẹn ò belong sí ẹbí wọn. Iyabo Ojo bàbá wèrè ní ẹ no dákọlọ fún. Iyabo bàbá olórí burúkú ni ẹ. Àwọn Yorùbá dẹ̀ sì ń wù ẹ́. O ṣe wọ́n so. Then let me correct this impression. A lot of you said because Baba Moad does not have money, pray Iyabo Ojo does not happen to you. What did I say? Just pray that Iyabo Ojo will never. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé Iyabo Ojo, gbogbo àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé Iyabo Ojo pátápátá gbogbo ló máa pàdé àgbákò tọmọtọmọ wọn irú ẹ̀dá bí Iyabo Ojo nínú ayé wọn. Iyabo Undertaker. Now, ẹ máa bọ̀ jẹ́ analysis fún yín. Kí ni mo sọ last? Yes, because ọmọ yẹn kò mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ àdúrà. Tí ọmọ yẹn ò bá ti mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ àdúrà, it does not make Moad to be the bastard. It does not make Moad to be the bastard. When your children are going there to go and have their breakfast, lunch and dinner, allegedly, Shori Anobi Lonko. Because you still want to continue that boy will be orimo. Ìwọ tó fẹ́ sọ pé kí Naira Marley kó lọ kọrin gidi. Oríire mélòó làwọn ọmọ ẹ ṣe. Iyabo Ojo. Ìwọ tó fẹ́ sọ fún Naira Marley, má gbàgbé pé wèrè ló ń ṣe ìyá Naira Marley o. Wèrè ló ń ṣe. Tí wèrè ò bá ṣe ìyá Naira Marley, Iyabo Ojo, nígbà tó mú ẹ ṣe wedding, wọ́n kò gba ọmọ ẹ nímọ̀ràn lásán. Wọ́n gba ọmọ ẹ nímọ̀ràn wípé kọ́mọ ẹ má dis ó jáde níbi olórí burúkú tó jẹ́. So tó bá jẹ́ pé ìyá Naira Marley bá wà láyé, wèrè lásán ló ń ṣe, kò kí ń ṣe wèrè abiyamọ. Torí wọn ò bí pọ̀ rí máa pọ̀pọ̀ yálà ìyá ńlá kú yálà ìyá ẹ̀dá. Iyabo Ojo kó o jáde kó o sọ nǹkan tọ́mọ èèyàn kan máa ṣe nígbà tá yá àwọn ọmọ títí ẹ ti bàjẹ́. So ìwọ ìpọ̀rí máa pọ̀pọ̀ yálà ìyá ẹ̀. Naira Marley ò léèyàn gidi lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ni. Torí àsìkò ìlú ẹ kó máa fún ẹ lórí kó máa fi ẹ́ po iyẹ̀pẹ̀. Wọ́n bí pọ̀ ní yálà ìyá ẹ̀dá nǹkan tó bá Naira Marley dán wò kó lọ bá Zazu dán wò. Zazu ti ní fi ẹ́ bọ̀ gún kò ti ní fi ẹ́ bọ̀ èṣù. Zazu ti ní ṣe bí tíráàkì 50 fún ẹ. Omi sọ fún yín pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé Ànábì ni ẹ̀ mà Ànábì. Because Ànábì was never a coward. Kò sí ìran Mùsùlùmí tó jẹ́ coward. You don't understand? I will still prefer that Zazu. Kò bá dọ̀la tó bá bú mi kí ẹ̀. Tó bá wá máa wá fún mi kí ẹ̀. But I will prefer Zazu tó ń bọ Ògún tó dúró ti ọ̀tá ju wọ́ tó parọ́ mà Ànábì kò dúró tà Ànábì tó dẹ̀ ń wòrán tó ń ti ara ẹ ba ànábì lórúkọ jẹ́. tí ó bá sí pé orí ìyá Naira Marley ti dàrú iṣẹ́ oṣù mẹ́sàn-án ẹ̀ á wá wòwò lórí burúkú ìwà tòbó jẹun ìwà kíkanjú àfòbòjagun ẹkùn àwọn colleagues yẹ wà wà lórí kéèsì ọmọ ẹ̀fọ́dún 3 ọdún 4 ọlọ́run máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ tọmọtọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. orí ìyá Naira Marley gbàbọ̀dé ní tí yẹ bá wà láyé orí ìyá Naira Marley burú dànù ìyá Naira Marley ṣí èrè tí ò ti jáde ti yá ẹ èso lásán yẹ máa kórí bọnú ni olórí burúkú ṣànkọ́ kéku ẹ kí ni àkọ́rí kọ́dá ìpọ̀rímápọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ ẹ obìnrin tó ṣègbéyàwó kí làkọ́rí kọ́dá ìpọ̀rímápọ̀pọ̀ ẹ orí wo ló ṣe sí society. wọ́n tún wá ń sọ fún ọmọ ẹ pé kó má distract political kíní wọn olórí burúkú àwáyé má ṣe rere ẹ ó sáré bẹ́ jáde àbí wọ́n ló mọ́mọ́ tí ogun ló máa pa àwọn ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. ìwọ tó sọ pé why can't you allow ogun ló máa pa ẹ́ Àbẹ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀dùn ogun ló máa pa ẹ́ tìrantìrun ẹ àbọ̀ yóò mọ̀ nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀ olórí burúkú yálàjà yín fẹ́ ti tì mí mọ́ lọ́rin ni ẹ bá wá sọ pé kí n jẹ́ kí pìsì rẹ́ẹ̀nì ìbá pé Naira Marley ti kú ẹ bá sọ pé kí n pìsì rẹ́ẹ̀nì ìbá pé bàbá Mohbad ti kú nígbà tí mo sọ bàbá Mohbad níjẹta ìjẹrin àbí ìjarùn or 6 days ago pé justice ti dìde tán sáfóbìnrin má jẹ̀gbẹ́ onírun mi kú mọ ọmọ yìí mi dẹ̀ ní anything lọ́wọ́ pa wọn ohun tó sọ fún mi ni mo gbọ́ ohun tí ẹ̀mí sọ fún mi ni mo gbọ́ pé justice ti dé tán tó pé bàbá Mohbad ti kú ìjọ máa mọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pé òun bastard